Hey, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to model a simple nut. However, in the process, you will learn some good techniques, for example, how to cleanly transition from hard edges to soft round ones. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is create a 6-sided cylinder, keeping in mind the proportions you want. Okay, so we don't need the top and bottom faces, so let's just get rid of them. And let's just add an edge running through the middle like so, using the middle mouse button to create an edge exactly in the center. Delete the bottom half so we can work on just one half of the model. With the mesh selected, press Ctrl B to bevel the 6 edges. We want 2 segments and just reduce the fraction a little bit like this. Okay, great. Almost done. Next, just add an edge in the middle of each side like so. Now with the top edge selected, extrude up a little. Pressing and holding shift and right click, go to circularize component. Just reduce the radius offset a little. In my case it's twisted, so just use the twist setting to correct this if you have the problem too. Now just grab the top vert and just move them up to match the position of the extruded edge. To finish off, extrude a few more times like so. Hold V to snap this edge exactly to the halfway point on the Y-axis, ready for the mirror. Okay, now it's time to add some supporting edges, but before I do this, I'm just going to add a shiny material to the model. With the edge loop tool, add some supporting edges to hold the shape where we require it. Last of all, just delete history and mirror on the Y-axis. So go to Edit, Delete All by Type, History. Now with the mesh selected, hold Shift and right click and go to Mirror. I find setting axis position to bound and box works best most of the time, and I need to change the axis to Y. I'm also going to change the merge threshold to 0.01, but sometimes I find it's way too high. Brilliant, just delete history and you're done. You can always scale it a little if it's slightly off. In this tutorial, I'm not going to be adding the corkscrew details, as I don't normally add them to assets like this, as I use them more so for like detailing larger models, in which case that sort of detail would get lost and would be a waste of time. Saying that, if anyone would like to see how to do that, please leave a comment asking and I will make a tutorial for you. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Although it's just a simple nut, this video hopefully shows you the process of transitioning from a hard edge to a round one. A more advanced example can be found in my mock-up speed modeling video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.